This is a complete guide to bookmarks in Google Chrome, and we're going to be covering many topics, so you can find them in the timestamps. Let's first start with how to add a website as a bookmark. So you have to go to the site that you want to bookmark. Here, I've come to Gmail, and then if I want to bookmark it, I'll click on the star icon on the top right. And each bookmark has two options, the name and the folder. So from here, we can rename it. Just type whatever you want the name of the bookmark to be, and then decide the folder. So in this, there are two default options. One is the bookmarks bar. So if you want your bookmark to show up in the bookmarks bar, that is below the search bar, then select this folder, or else select other bookmarks. For now, I'll select this, and then click on done. And now the bookmark has been created. There's also a shortcut for this, which is Ctrl D or Command D for Mac. So now if I use the shortcut, you can see we've got the same options. So this was how to bookmark a website. And the next thing I'm going to show you is the Bookmarks Manager. For this, click on the three dots on the top right, and then select Bookmarks and Lists. And here select Open Bookmark Manager. So over here, we have all the controls related to bookmarks. So on the left, you can see the two options, which is Bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. And in each of them, you can see the bookmarks. So this one has Gmail that we just added. And in other bookmarks, it's currently empty. So over here, we mainly have two options. One is to add new bookmarks, and second is creating folders to manage all the bookmarks. So if you have many bookmarks, you'll see all of them listed over here, and then you can organize them from this page. So if you click on the three dots on the top right, then the two options have come. One is to add a new bookmark. So if I select this, then we just have to enter the name and URL, and then this will get added to the folder called Bookmarks bar. For that, to create a folder, again click on the three dots over here, and then select Add New Folder. Give the folder any name you want, and you can see the folder has come here. So now we can add bookmarks to this folder. Let's say I want to add Gmail under work, then I can just take it and drag it to work. And it's moved there. So like this, you can manage all of the bookmarks which you have. You can create new folders and then add bookmarks into those folders to organize them. And one more thing you can do from here is edit existing bookmarks. So I'll show you what options are there. I'll go to the Gmail bookmark. So this is the Gmail bookmark. And if I click on the three dots, then these are all the options which we have. We can edit it, delete it, cut, copy. All these options are there. Then the next thing I'm going to show you is the bookmarks bar. So I'll come to a new tab, and over here, you can see the bookmarks bar. So currently we can see the folder called work. And if I click on it, then Gmail has come here. But if I go to any website, then the bookmarks bar will automatically get hidden. As you can see, it's now gone from here. So if you want to always see it, then we need to enable the bookmarks bar. So I'll go to a new tab. Then here click on the three dots on the top right, select Bookmarks and Lists, and select this option called Show Bookmarks Bar. And now we'll be able to see it. So I'll go back to Gmail, and here we can see the bookmark. So now if you go to any website, then you'll see this bar over here. They also have some more options related to the bookmarks bar. Just right click on it. Then in the bookmarks bar, they do have some more options. If you right click on it, then we have the options like before to add a page, add a folder, and more options below. So this covers mostly everything related to bookmarks. And one last thing I want to show you is how to import and export bookmarks. So to do this, we'll have to go back to the Bookmark Manager, click on the three dots, select Bookmarks and Lists, and click on Open Bookmark Manager. Then click on the three dots on the top right, and you'll find these two options to import bookmarks and export. So let's say I have some bookmarks in one profile and I want to transfer to another one. Then all I have to do is export it from here, just save it somewhere. And after that, go to the new profile and then import it the exact same way. So this covers everything related to bookmarks. And if you want to know some privacy and security settings, check out this video.